Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename and delete a table in Microsoft Access. This is a fundamental skill when managing your database, helping you keep your workspace organized and remove any outdated or unnecessary tables. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and load into your database. This is where all your tables, queries, and other objects are stored. Make sure you're working with the correct database file before proceeding with any changes. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation pane located there. This pane is your central hub for accessing all the different objects within your database, including tables, queries, forms, and reports. Click on the navigation pane if it's not already expanded, and the menu will open up, displaying a comprehensive list of all the objects you have under your database. Now, the process to rename and delete a table is actually quite straightforward. From the table drop-down in the navigation pane, you'll see all your tables listed. Simply right-click on the table that you wish to either rename or delete. When you do this, a small contextual window will appear, presenting you with several options for managing that table. From this menu, you'll have the option to rename your table and also delete your table. If you want to rename it, click on Rename, and immediately the table name will be highlighted. This allows you to type in a new name that better reflects the content or purpose of that table. Just type your new name and press Enter to confirm the change. If you need to delete the table instead, click on Delete from that same menu. A confirmation window will appear asking you to verify that you really want to remove this table. This is an important safety feature because once you delete a table, all the data within it will be permanently removed from your database. Click Yes to proceed with the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rename and delete tables in Microsoft Access, giving you better control over your database structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.